Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick little how-to video for when you don't want to drag out all this crap just for a little bit of dirt in your pool. So let's get to it. So I hope you can see in the pool in the bottom, not a lot, but some specks of pollen and I guess dead little bugs or whatever that really is kind of a pain in the butt to get up. So we're going to get all this stuff in one place so we can get it out really quick. So here we go. First thing you want to do is probably get a few things out of the pool. I have a tennis ball and my ionizer. The tennis ball is there to collect those little biting black flies. They will hold on to the tennis ball, and you can throw that in a little bucket of solution to kill the bugs, the bees, or the flies that get on it. But we're going to get this dirt up right now, so let's get this thing started. First thing you got to do, 2 people will help, but 1 person can do it, and you're going to watch me start a whirlpool here, and we're going to collect all this stuff in one spot. I put the tennis ball in so you can see how it turns. Look at that, see it collecting? I'm gonna get out there and get ready. Boom. There's a lot of it. Look at that. Okay, I still have some swirl left. I'm gonna wait right here in the corner. It's coming together right there. Get a little swirl. It's smaller. Alright. Get out here, look like a little tornado down there. Look at that. Whoop. All gone. 2 scoops. And it's done. A lot quicker than dragging out the vacuum. And that, my friends, is how to quickly clean the floor of a round above ground swimming pool. Hope it works for you. Thanks.